how to spend on marketing the right way. Let's dive in. This is Neil Patel, helping you succeed through online marketing.
All right, so today we are going to talk about how you can spend on marketing the right way, because we're in a tough economic period right now as of this recording. This is Q4 of 2023. Neil and I wanted to give you a couple thoughts just to protect yourself moving forward.
In the olden days, and when I say olden days, I'm talking about when the economy was really good a year plus ago, maybe a year and a half ago. It was all about, can you just scale really fast and have high growth? And it's okay if you lose money, just grow at all costs. And now people are realistic. We're like, well, if you spend $1 and you lose $2, why would you spend the dollar? Yes, you're getting growth, but you're continually losing money. So why wouldn't you just want to spend $1 to make $1 instead of losing $1? Sure, you may not have as much growth, but at least you're making real money. We believe that in any kind of economy, the best way to scale marketing and spend on marketing is in a slow and steady and a profitable way. You got to be very methodical with your marketing spend. It doesn't mean that everything has to be profitable. You got to experiment and try to find new ways that are up and coming and aren't as competitive, because all channels eventually get very competitive and saturated. But you can't just turn on the knob or crank up the knob and just be like, cool, I went from spending $1,000 a day to now, or $100 a day to like $1 million a day. It just doesn't work that way. Or even if it's organic marketing, you can't just go from I'm spending 10 grand a month to now 200 grand a month. Well, you can, but you're just going to end up burning a lot of money and doing a lot of stuff that produces little to no ROI.
Yep. Look, the old days now is, to Neil's point, those days are gone, where it's like you can you're looking to raise your next round, you're looking to go to VCs, you're looking to increase your valuation and then raise and maybe take some secondary, which means you take some chips off the table, right? Back then, 2022 or 2020, even before all the privacy changes rolled out, marketing was kind of on easy mode. And now it's like, no, you got to be more creative now. You got to be efficient with your spend. And if it's not going well, you got to cut it. It's like discipline is back, and that's a good thing for the long term.
Yeah, discipline is really good. What you'll also find in marketing too, it doesn't matter what kind of economy you're in, the hardest part with marketing is actually to scale it up. It's not hard to run profitable Google ads or Facebook ads or to do SEO. It's hard to do it at scale. And when I mean scale, ranking for millions of keywords organically, or scaling up your paid ads to go after many different countries and spending $1 million, $2 million a month. Scale is what tends to break marketing, and you can't just scale up and you can't just spend. You got to slowly ease into it. And if you don't, you'll just find that you're burning a lot of money. And it's not about, oh, we're $1 billion company or $100 billion company, we can just spend it. Spending it fast doesn't really solve the problem. When you do slow and steady and you ramp it up, you tend to get much better results, even in the long run. Again, this doesn't matter what your valuation is or how much cash you have. It's more so it just produces better results.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.